Hey everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So today we have another plan with me, and we're going to be planning for the week of February 5th through February 11th, and I'm using this beautiful kind of Valentine's-y kit from the Etsy, or actually, I don't know if it's on Etsy. She might have her own website, or maybe both, but it is simply Watercolor Co. She is very well known for her foiling, and this is actually my first kit from her, and it's so pretty. So we have the full boxes, the washi, and the date covers, which are pretty. Some little icons and stuff. More boxes, half boxes, washi, and then my little thing. So yeah, let's just get started. So I'm first going to start with the washi, and it has some beautiful gold foiling, or actually it might be like a rose gold. Not quite 100% sure, but I just know it's really pretty. And the quote says, "I love you still, I always have, I always will," which is like, you know, a little cheesy for my liking, but it's just pretty. And I think it's very appropriate for, you know, the Valentine's that's coming up. The Valentine's, look at me. But for Valentine's that's coming up. I do have another Valentine's Day kit though, and we use next week that's even cuter, so get excited. So the way I want to do this is I'm going to do it where I have one of the full boxes down here, and then one up here, and then one in the middle, and kind of stagger it that way, because I saw a couple people do it in a few plan with me's that I've watched, and it looks really good. So I'm going to do this one as my quote box, and then I think we'll just kind of alternate these, and yeah, it's going to look fantastic, I'm sure. So let's just get started. I think I'm going to do this one first, down at the bottom. You know, I really need to get some just like basic headers for stuff like this, because I don't really want to put my today header there, but I feel like that's the only spot really for it. But anyways, let's catch up and see what's going on, what is new. I feel like I'm finally starting to get my footing for this year, which is exciting. Work has been super fun as always. We have been super busy. I feel like town is just getting crazy, which it's like a good and a bad thing. I'm personally not the biggest fan of town getting crazy, but hey, it's good for, I guess, the economy? I don't really know. Look at me just like rambling about the economy. But seriously, traffic has been so crazy here. And in case you don't know, I live in Naples, Florida, which is like filled with the retired and the wealthy. So people are driving around in the most insane cars you would ever see. And meanwhile, here comes Bailey in her little Honda Accord that's a smidge on the beat up side. But we still love her, so it's okay. And it's so funny because, especially this time of year, they're just like Maseratis and Porsches. Or is it Porsche? I think it's Porsches. What else? Like BMWs are just like the norm. It's absolutely insane. But the only reason I'm even talking about this is because people drive like maniacs down here. Like yesterday I was taking a turn. I was taking a right-hand turn out of my apartment. Or not out of my apartment, but like out of my apartment complex. And if I did not almost die, somebody just like, instead of using their blinker, because they don't do that here, or they'll use their blinker and like go the opposite way. I've noticed that's been a common occurrence lately. You know, they're living their best life and they're just going. And I almost got nailed by one guy. It was terrifying. But basically what happened is I was turning right and I went into the middle lane because nobody was in the first lane, nobody was in the second lane. There was a car coming in the third lane, but they didn't have their blinker on or anything. So I turned into the middle lane, and by golly, if they did not probably come like this close to just nailing me, because they decided to go into the middle lane too. And yeah, did they use a blinker? No. Would they have been paying for a new car for me? Maybe, because that was a nice car that they were driving recklessly. Anyways, I digress. So next, I think I want to do, I don't know if I want to use the full boxes for my checklist. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do the little checklist ribbons, because it might be kind of a lot with the full boxes, even though they are pretty, but just might be kind of a lot. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Amazing. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the to-do headers, and I think I want to do them kind of like contrasting colors. That could be kind of fun. Alright, so I think that's okay for now. Let's move on to the sidebar. I'm going to see if I can zoom you guys in a little bit. Hopefully you guys can still see. I think so. So I'm first going to do my little top box, and I'm going to do the foiled quote box. And the quote says, "Every love story is beautiful, but hers is my favorite," which is just so cheesy. I don't know. Am I the only one who thinks Valentine's is like a smidge cheesy? Just a little, ooh, my nails can match the kit. That's cute. But yeah, I'm not like the biggest Valentine's person. Like, we don't go all out. I don't even like going out on Valentine's Day because it's too busy and it just is not my thing. So, you know, let me know what you think of Valentine's Day. I mean, I like the chocolate. Never gonna say no to chocolate, but I really like the day after Valentine's Day when the chocolate's on sale, which I know is like cliche to say, but it's the truth. So after that, I'm going to do this my little weekly checklist because I put my hours when I'm working there. Let's see, I think I'm going to do a little bit of washi just to break this up, and then this little deco piece is actually cut into washi strips, so I'm just going to pop this right here, and then we will add these cute little 3-box checklists. So she has a to go, to clean, and then she also has a to buy over here. So I think I'm just going to use all of them because they all do kind of apply. Also, I apologize, I need to vacuum today because the dog hair is getting ridiculous. In case you don't have a black lab or any dog that sheds crazily, it is definitely an experience to say the least. Lots of vacuuming has to go on because if it doesn't, it gets out of control. And then I think I'm going to do a next week header so I can kind of plan ahead. And let me go grab some scissors and I can trim down one of the leftover. You couldn't even see that. I'm going to go grab some scissors and trim down one of the little strip checklists, and then we'll pop that right there. Alright, so I just refocused y'all so you can kind of see what's going on. So we will start with our little things, and it looks like this kit came with enough little food little things I can put these on. So I will add the food ones first, and I think I'll just put them right on top of here, and then we'll do it at the bottom over here because I guess that works, right? Even though I will say I do need to go grocery shopping desperately because we are having pizza for dinner today from Walmart, which is actually pretty good pizza. Don't knock it till you try it. So now I'm going to move on to the TV I will be watching. So today, Monday, I'm going to be watching The Bachelor because obviously, even though I will say I'm still not totally sold on the season, like, I don't know, I'm just not impressed. But I'm still going to watch because I'm dedicated. And then Tuesday, oh my gosh, y'all, This Is Us. We're having another episode. Let me know if you watched the episode after the Super Bowl because I was crying. I was ugly crying the whole time. It was bad. Also, Bailey, that is the worst sticker placement you have ever done. Let's try that one more time, especially for This Is Us. Like, it's such a good show. You gotta do good with your stickers. So, there we go. That's a little bit better. And then on Wednesday, I actually have some TV going on Wednesday. Super exciting. Celebrity Big Brother is coming on. That is not a TV icon, Bailey. Jeez. But yeah, Celebrity Big Brother is coming on, which I haven't watched that before. I actually just started watching Big Brother last season. So might as well keep it up. And let me see if there's anything else that I can put down for early this week. I don't think so. So let's move on to later next week. So we will go ahead and do the little foodie icons because I'm going to eat something at some point during the day. And now for TV, I think the Olympics start on Friday at the opening ceremony, so I'm totally going to watch that because I do love me some Olympics. I mean, who does? Especially Winter Olympics. I wish I could do, what's it called? Ice skating or figure skating? I wish. But alas, they don't have that in Georgia apparently. Or at least not near me. And then Sunday, I'm going to watch the Food Network because that's what I like to do on Sundays. It's very relaxing. So I'm just going to pop that right there. Okay, so I think that's everything for the little things. Now let's go ahead and start filling this in and doing the fun stuff. So I know on Wednesday I do have a Sephora delivery. I had actually a lot of credit because I returned some stuff. So I'm going to do just a little quarter box. I'll do it like right here just to kind of cover up that line. And I have these really cute little Sephora bags from, I can't tell what the sticker shop is, but they're really, really cute. If I can figure out where I got these, I'll put a link in the description. I'm going to put just one of these cute little Sephora bags because I should be getting a delivery that day and I'm very excited about it. Tomorrow I actually have off work and tomorrow's going to be a big content day is what I like to call it. So I think I'm going to use this cute little EXO box and I'll just put this up here first. And I have these cute little foiled icons from White Deer Stationery that I think would go nicely with the kit. And then this one also came with some icons as well. But I think these are a little bit cuter. So I'm going to use these. And I'm going to use this little camera one right here because I do need to film and I do need to take some content photos for just, you know, everything. So I'll pop that right there. And what else do I need to do tomorrow? I need to go to the post office tomorrow. So I will add like a little guy right here. And I'll take one of these maybe. Let's see. And I don't really see like a good post office icon that I want to use. Yeah, I can use this little car because I do have to drive to the post office. So we'll just go with that. And I didn't even put down the weekend banner. Actually, I don't even know where I would put down the weekend banner because I don't want it to like clash with this. Maybe I'll just leave it this time. Got too excited. Let's see, what else can I do? I'm going to do my plan with me. I'm going to try and do it Saturday. I always try and do it on Saturday. It doesn't always happen, but I'm going to really, really try because I want to get it done kind of early. So I will use this cute little half box. And this kit comes with a cute little planner, so I will include that over here to kind of indicate that. It's payday on Friday, so I can do this right here because payday is always a good day. You know, this week is just not super exciting, which I know is shocking to everyone because I usually always have super exciting weeks. And in case you can tell, that was sarcasm. My life is not the most exciting, but hey, we have stickers to make it look more exciting, right? But I think I'm just going to go ahead, add a little bit of fill-in with the boxes, and then we can kind of go from there. Okay, that looks way better. And now I think I'll just add some of the cute foil deco just around because, I mean, how could you not? So where should I put this? Ooh, I can put this like up in the corner or something. Just add a little bit of something to that box. I'll do this one too, just down here. Cute. And then nice little hearts. Just pop this over here. Because that's kind of sweet. I don't know. I just like don't want to waste any of the really pretty foiling because it is really pretty and also it was a little bit more expensive, you know? So we're just going to use up all of the foil. And really, I guess that's everything for this plan with me. I'm sorry it's kind of bland and I didn't really have a lot of plans to put down. But, you know, I have the best intentions. I don't know, this week is just kind of like a go with the flow. I don't really know what's going to happen later in the week, but we're just going to roll with it kind of, you know, situation. But I'll definitely keep you guys posted on Instagram on how the spread is looking, so definitely follow me there. But yeah, I guess that's everything for this plan with me. Let me know in the comments down below what more you want to see in these plan with me videos. I feel like there's like, I don't know, more things I can talk about, or if you have any questions or, you know, a topic you want to talk about, let me know because we can definitely do that. But yeah, I guess that's everything for this week's plan with me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!